This holiday dessert table is made of cookies and icing, and it's the latest project in the Cookie Art Club. Here's a preview of the tutorial. I'm using a plaque template to cut the cookie from a chilled sheet of gingerbread cookie dough. I'll place this cookie onto a baking sheet lined with a perforated baking mat. My cookie is completely cool, and I'm using a ruler to make a guide for the table runner. I'm filling in the thin lines with burgundy flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 1. All the details about making royal icing and the different icing consistencies are in Royal Icing 101. I'm filling in the thicker lines with red flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 2. While the base layer is still wet, I'm piping green lines with flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 1. I'm outlining the burgundy stripes first. I'm piping another green line about 1/8 of an inch away on the red stripes. Now I'm piping perpendicular lines about 3/4 of an inch apart. Now I'm adding a line of burgundy icing above the green lines. Tap the cookie on the table to help smooth out the icing. Thanks for watching this preview of the latest tutorial in my cookie art club. If you want to see the whole thing and get access to my recipes, personalized cookie decorating advice, and over 160 ad-free tutorials, hit the join button to become a member.